Hello tutors, I am Veronica. Let's talk about lessons insight on Preply. You know that little report you get after every lesson. It shows things like how much your students spoke, what grammar they used, vocabulary range, even pronunciation patterns. It's really useful, but only if you actually do something with it. Here's a tip. Don't let lesson insights sit there as just information. Use it as a tool. Pick one thing that stands out. Maybe the report shows your student keeps saying good and bad for everything. Or maybe they are avoiding past tense completely. Now, just copy that straight into your favorite AI website or app and prompt it like this. Give me short practice activities for a B1 learner who only uses good and bad. In seconds, you've got fresh prompts, activities, or even homework ideas ready to go. All based on what really happened in the lesson. So, instead of insights being a report card that you skim and forget, it becomes a springboard for your next class. Lesson Insights tells you what happened, and AI helps you decide what to do next. That's how you take yesterday's feedback and turn it into tomorrow's plan quickly, clearly, and with zero stress. My name is Veronica. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon.